Hey friends, today we're going to talk about how to talk about downsizing with your loved ones. It's a big step, but it's all about how you approach the conversation. By the way, I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty, your go-to real estate agent here in Central Oregon. Thinking of selling, buying, or investing? I'm happy to have a conversation. My details are below. For now, let's get to it. First things first, start the conversation early. This isn't a chat you want to spring on someone out of the blue. By bringing it up early, you give everyone plenty of time to think, reflect, and express their feelings. Now, when you do bring it up, make it a heart-to-heart. Sit down in a comfy, cozy spot with no distractions. Say something like, I've been thinking about how we can simplify our lives and focus on what truly makes us happy. What do you think about downsizing our home to make this happen? This opens the door gently, showing you care about their input. It's super important to listen, really listen. This conversation is two-way. Your loved one might have fears, concerns, or even excitement about the idea. Acknowledge their feelings and make sure they know they're heard. Share the positives, but be real about the challenges. Talk about the benefits, like less cleaning, lower bills, and more time for each other. But be honest about potential downsides, like having less space for personal items. Lastly, dream together. What does your ideal smaller home look like? Where is it? What joy does this new lifestyle bring? Make it a shared vision that excites you both. Remember, downsizing is not just about moving to a smaller space. It's about moving closer to what you value most in life. So take this journey together, step by step, with love and understanding. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Remember, downsizing is a journey best shared with ones you love. Catch you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore how to make the most of our living spaces and our lives. Thanks for watching. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Realty.